Hello, welcome to Electronic Circuit Analysis by PSpice program. Today we're going to introduce some other parts of PSpice environment. Well, here I want to tell you voltage probe. By voltage probe, we can actually DC voltage of any circuit, and here by current marker, actually we can actually DC different current of circuit, and we will use them in the next sessions by enable bias voltage display by clicking on that part, and also enable bias current display. We can actually DC voltage of circuit in the program, and we will have more explanations on that part. Here we have get new part. I type appamp or LM741, then click on place and close. I can both place the element and close the window. As you can see, I could place the first element, second element. Again, I click on part browser, VAC. Actually, I can have sinus voltage here. Also, I can click on that part, and VPU, VPulse, place, right click, and I finish the program. Also, I use GND. I can choose the ground. Here we have GND analog and GND earth. We can use both of them, but here I use GND earth in my program. Place and close. Like enter the grounds to my schematic. By right click, I finish the programming. Okay. Now I want to move this LM741 and also this grounds like this, the source of these voltages. As you can see here, there's some shadows after moving these elements here on this screen. In order to delete these shadows and parts which make this part mess, I use here, for example, you can use here a redraw. I click on redraw, and as you can see, immediately the shadows will be deleted. Again, I move this LM741. But the other way to delete these shadows is using, for example, here, excuse me, by actually moving this screen. By moving that screen, I can delete them by zooming. I zoom on my programs. Here there is another part, setup program and simulate. By simulate, you can do the analysis on my circuit. Before click on that part, I should click on setup analyze, and choose the type of my analysis, which here in the next session I will tell you about these types and tell you how to recognize them. So before starting or clicking on simulating, you should choose the type of your analysis. Here actually we have draw arc for drawing different shapes like this. We can have these parts, also this one and this one, this one, by dragging and clicking on delete, I can delete them one by one, as you can see, and the last one. Okay, there are two other parts. Draw test. Here you enter a message or enter a text directly to your program. Now by typing kilo and clicking on OK, you can enter it to program. By draw text box, you can actually make a box and type any letter inside that box. Here, PSpice, this is test. Here there is another option as insert picture, which I can actually import a picture to my program here by clicking on part. As you can see here, there is the pictures in format of metafile and bitmaps. I click on here, I have a picture by bitmaps, and like this I can place it. It is actually very big. By left click and dragging the picture, I can make it small and place it here. Okay, thanks for being with us with this episode. We'll hope to have you next episodes too. Bye bye.